Okay, we're here with the homeowners, Paul and Claudia. They saw their shade sail for the first time about 20 minutes ago as we installed it. So we're gonna get their first impressions. What do you think so far?
We love it, Patrick. It's so organic. It fits our little custom space so nicely. It's got a nice flow to it. We're all concerned what the look was going to be, and it just disappeared and was there when we needed it. It's just very artistic. We love it.
The color is perfect. It went up fast. Workmanship is fabulous.
High quality
Awesome.
materials. We can see through it just perfectly. It gives us the amount of shade that we want. Blends in. Patrick and his team are wonderful, and visiting
you.
the workshop is top drawer. It's a fun experience that brings it all home.
Okay, I ask everyone this. If you had it to do over again, what one thing would you do differently?
Nothing.
I don't think anything.
No, we're very satisfied.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Awesome, awesome. Anything that you'd like to tell someone considering a shade sail for their house, building, business?
It
What-
took us a long time to follow through, and we've been thinking about it for a couple of years now, and we just decided to go for it, and it's beyond our dreams.
Yeah, you're always worried about putting something up here that's going to be part of your visual scene all the time, and it just exceeded our expectations, really.
And you guys have a very particular style, not particular, but you know what you like.
Yes.
And that's what I appreciate about you as a customer. So it's nice to hear that this fits in with your scheme and your design for the space.
It sure does.
Thank you so much, Patrick.
Thank you for the business.
Shazeebo.